Hi guys, and welcome back to Kai's Art. So today we're going to be drawing hairstyles. So the first hairstyle that we're going to be drawing is a Dutch braid, two Dutch braids. So basically I've drawn like a face and then I duplicated it, and we're going to be drawing different hairstyles. Okay guys, so we outlined the hair and we are now coloring it, and we also I also added the marks where like the hair is quite pulled into the hairstyle, and yeah. And now I was adding the shading and then smudging it. And now you guys, we're done with the first one, and now it's time to move on to the second one. So this time is kind of creepy because I've never drawn bangs, and guess what, I have never drawn bangs, so I just gave it a try, and I've never drawn blonde hair, so it's not that bad, but maybe in the future I could do better. But as a first try, it's pretty good, I guess. And now I colored in the hair, and then I brought like darker colors and started doing strands all around the hair. And for the next one, I decided to draw a wavy hairstyle and color it really light brown and start adding the shading. This one looked really realistic in my opinion. And now you guys, I was adding the shading, different types of shading, and if you guys know how to make the shading, then check out the video on the icon because you guys asked me for it. And now you guys, for the next one, I decided to do little cute space buns, but because you girl ran out of ideas, I just decided to color the hair blue. Yes, I colored the hair blue, but it didn't turn out bad. It turned out like really cute, and like I really loved it. It's my favorite out of all of these. And now it was time to add the shading. And now it's time to draw the next one. So the next hairstyle is a curly hairstyle. I am not really an expert at drawing curly hair, but I kind of tried. I think it's still curly, and I just drew these small little wobbly sketches as a guide. So guys, I colored the hair, and now I'm gonna add the shading, and of course we're gonna remove the areas that are outside the line. And for the next hairstyle, it's gonna be a bun with 2 strands at the top, like in the front, which gives it a really cute touch. And the hair is gonna be pink because it just gave it something extra, which I really love, and this is my most favorite hairstyle. And you guys, for the next one, it's gonna be this like really high ponytail. It kind of reminded me of the genie in Aladdin, but I don't know, like it was kind of hard for me to draw because I couldn't really imagine how I'm gonna like making it be a ponytail. But like I managed to draw it, and I'm like really in love with it. It's like really super cute, and I ended up removing the strands at the top, like at the front. I didn't really like them, and we're drawing these small little lines to show that the hair is being pulled backwards. So for the next hairstyle, we're gonna do the half down updo, where like you have a bun at the top and then the rest of your hair is braids. And they decided to color this hairstyle purple because why not? Like, yeah. There is no color palettes in the description, but I'll be leaving all the brushes, sizes, and whatsoever I use, and all my brushes that I use in the link in the description. So that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I had fun making it. And don't forget to subscribe and check out my last video here. And yeah, see you in my next one. Bye!